Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by powering the Google Nest Hub and connecting it to Wi-Fi. This makes the device discoverable and lets it access your calendar and smart devices. Once done, sign into your Google account and enable voice match so the hub recognizes your voice and personalizes results. Make sure to grant permissions for media, calendar, and home control. Otherwise, routines and smart home commands won't work. Place the hub within range of your router and away from obstructions to ensure stable connectivity. Next, learn how to navigate. Swipe the screen to access home view and quick settings. Tap devices to control lights, plugs, and thermostats. You'll link smart devices in the Google Home app, group them by room for simpler voice control. Then create routines that combine actions like turning lights off and starting a playlist. This saves repeated commands. For reliable responses, use concise voice commands with specific phrasing. Say, "Hey Google," set a 10-minute timer, or "Hey Google, play jazz in kitchen," so the hub executes exactly what you want. To finish, customize settings. Change display brightness, enable night mode, and set preferred audio output so the hub fits your space. Once personalized, test voice match and run each routine manually to confirm triggers and device responses. Refine phrases if needed. If something fails, reboot the hub and router first. This often clears network hiccups. If problems persist, check Wi-Fi strength and reauthorize app permissions in your Google account. That restores access to calendars, media, and smart devices, and usually resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.